Good morning, students. This video is for grade 6th subject science, block 13 movement in animals. We are continuing with the LP2 locomotion in vertebrates. Students, in previous LP we discussed about animal movement and the need of movement for animals and the different ways by which animals move. Now let's start this new LP. You just pause your video and think and try to answer these questions. Do all animals have the same body structure? Do they all move in the same way? Let's see. Animals have different types of body structure. Some have a backbone and some do not. Animals with different body structures move in different ways. Some jump, some fly, some slither, and some walk. The meaning of slither is sliding. So the aim of our lesson is to explain the similarities and differences between the locomotion of some vertebrates. The keywords are vertebrate and streamline. The resources required are S2 of volume book, science notebook and Exceed content book. Today we will identify the similarities and differences in the movement of some animals having backbone. For this you have to copy this table in your notebook and you have to read the section locomotion in vertebrates from Exceed content book. After reading and filling this table by writing the similarities and differences in the movement of birds and snakes, fish and snake, birds and fish, you will be able to give the answer of these questions. What is the difference between the movement of a fish and snake, bird and snake, fish and bird? How do these animals move? What is the similarity between their movements? So let's see. A fish swims, a snake slithers, and birds fly. A fish jerks its body while swimming. A bird flies by flapping its wings. A snake slithers using underside of its body to push itself forward. Both fish and snakes move in a wave-like manner or zigzag manner. Now, which animals have a backbone? What are the features that help them in their movement? So let's see. Fish, snakes and birds have backbones. Such animals are called vertebrates. Almost all amphibians, reptiles, mammals and birds are vertebrates. Some examples are ducks, sparrows, pigeon, fish, snakes, lizards, tortoises, monkeys and frogs. Now we will discuss about the movement of birds and the features present in their body for the movement. Streamlined body, hollow bones, strong muscles and wings help birds in their movement. A bird flaps its wings up and down and pushes itself through the air on the downstroke of its wings because the feathers overlap to stop air from passing through. Students, the streamlined body structure helps bird to fly in air with the least resistance, just like in the case of fish. Now the features of snake's body for easy movement are strong muscles, scales and a long backbone which help snakes in their movement. A snake uses scales underneath its body to grip the ground and push its body forward. The streamlined body, strong muscles, tail and fins flap fish to swim in the water. The fins help the fish to wade through water. Now why do some birds not fly? So some birds like ostrich, penguins and emus do not fly due to their heavy body weights and short wings. And these are the features which do not support flying. Now what we learned today? Children, we saw that some animals with backbone are having some similarities in their movement and some differences in their movement. So now solve this quiz questions in your notebook. How do birds and fish move? Make a list of additional features in birds that do not support their flight. Now you have to finish your S2 of volume book based on today's learning, and you have to complete your practice questions from Exceed content book. The picture of this volume 2 is attached here. We will discuss the question answers here. The first question given is, draw and write the pattern of movement in a snake. So children, we already discussed that snake move in a wave-like pattern, and accordingly you can draw the picture. Second question is, explain the similarities and differences in the movement of any two vertebrate animals. So we can take fish and snake, and the similarity between their movement is they both move in a wave-like pattern. And if you will see the difference between their movements, so fish swims by jerking the body and a snake slithers using underside of its body to move forward. Now the third question given is, Manu has read that an ostrich is a bird. She knows that birds fly. But when she visited a zoo, she saw that an ostrich couldn't fly, and she wanted to know why. How would you explain this to Manu? So students, already we discussed that some birds are there like ostrich, penguin and emu. They have large body weight and their wings are very short, and therefore they are unable to fly. So in this way we completed our discussion of volume 2 also. So finish your question answers in the book and complete your notebook also. Thank you students. Have a great day.